Jeep has launched its popular Wrangler SUV in the Indian market. The new 2021 Jeep Wrangler is now imported into the country via the CKD completely knocked down route and is locally assembled at the brand's facility in the country. The new locally assembled Jeep Wrangler SUV is now offered with a starting price of Rs 53.90 Lakh. The SUV continues to be offered in the same two trim levels as before, Unlimited and Rubicon. The range-topping Wrangler Rubicon now retails at Rs 57.90 Lakh. All prices are ex-showroom. This translates to a price reduction of over Rs 10 lakh compared to the full import models introduced in India last August. Jeep has also announced that while bookings for the locally assembled Wrangler had already begun, deliveries for the off-roader will begin immediately. The locally assembled Jeep Wrangler remains mostly identical to the full import version from last year. The off-roader carries forward the same design, exterior features and interior equipment as before. The SUV also continues to be powered by the same petrol engine as its CBU version. Talking about the design and features, the Made in India Jeep Wrangler carries forward the same styling. The SUV features circular LED headlamps flanking the signature 7-slat grille, fender-mounted side indicators, 18-inch alloy wheels, LED tail lights, and a tailgate-mounted spare wheel. Jeep continues to offer the Wrangler with the option of completely removing the doors and the roof from the SUV as well. Inside as well, the locally assembled SUV carries forward a host of features and equipment. This includes an 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also features the brand's Uconnect technology. Other features on the inside also include push-button start-stop, premium leather upholstery, dual-zone climate control, passive keyless entry, 7-inch color MID on the instrument cluster, and many more. The new Made in India Jeep Wrangler also comes packed with a host of safety equipment. This includes electronic stability control, hill start and descent control, automatic headlamps, electronic roll mitigation, TPMS, rear parking sensors, and camera and front and side airbags, among others. Finally, the locally assembled Jeep Wrangler will be offered with a choice of 5 color options: Firecracker Red, Black, Stingray, Granite Crystal, and Bright White.